In today's video, I will walk you through several proven steps to fix display issues on your Sceptre monitor and get your screen working again. Let's dive right in. First thing first, make sure your video cables are properly connected. Whether you are using HDMI, DisplayPort or VGA, check both ends, the one connected to your monitor and the one going into your computer. A loose or damaged cable is one of the most common causes of display problems. Now, if your PC has a dedicated graphics card, make sure your HDMI cable is plugged into the graphic card, not the motherboard. GPU ports are usually found lower on the back of the case, near the graphic card fans. Next, ensure your monitor is set to the right input source. Press the input or source button on your monitor, sometimes labeled S, and cycle through the available options until your active connections appears. A simple power cycle can often fix minor glitches. Turn off your monitor, unplug it from the power outlet, and wait about 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and power it on again. Now, if your screen is still blank, try using a different video cable or plug it into a different port on your computer. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with the cable, the port, or the device itself. If nothing worked so far, try resetting your monitor. Open the monitor menu, navigate to settings or system and select factory reset. Confirm when prompted. This clears out any misconfigurations that might be causing the problem. To rule out issues with your computer, connect your Sceptre monitor to another PC or laptop. If it works there, the issue is likely with your original computer's hardware or settings. And if none of these solutions fix the problem, it might be time to contact Sceptre technical support for further help. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick and easy fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.